Hi guys, welcome to this week's video. We're on Faial today and beautiful sunshine. It was raining a little bit coming over on the ferry, but it's just turned out to be a beautiful day. And I have some exciting news. I officially got my European Residency Card. It will be coming in the mail in about a month. I'm going back to Canada June 16th. So Carlos will be here to get the card for me. But so excited, finally. Now I can stay as long as I want. Anyways, we are here with a friend of ours, Adrian. He's actually from Canada as well, Toronto. He's staying here in Faial for about a month. And we met up with him. And we're just gonna go for some lunch to a really nice restaurant called Athletico. They do a lot of like grilled fish and grilled meats and things like that. So anyways, so I thought we would take you along on this journey because it's very exciting for me. It's been a long time coming. And yeah, so I'm gonna be doing a little bit of celebrating. And I'm sure that my friends that are seeing this are quite excited for me too, because they know that it's been a long wait. Anyways, we will see you at the restaurant. Well, this is the restaurant, guys. Restaurant Athletico. Oh, they have a great patio up here. I think we'll sit outside. It's so nice out. Yeah, look at this. So cute. Yes, please wait here. All right, lunch came to show you guys. We have a half chicken and chicken legs, and Adrian got the grilled tuna. That looks awesome. Guys, I'm gonna take you to the restaurant. We ate outside. So this is, look at the fish. Oh, that's the tuna. And the crab, and look at these, wow. Isn't that barracuda?
Yeah, that's a barracuda.
Barracuda, they call it barracuda in Portuguese. Barracuda.
Wow.
Wow, amazing. Great restaurant here in Faial. You have to come. I'll try and find it on Facebook and I'll put it up for you guys to see in case you ever come here. All right, so now we're just gonna take a walk down. Where are we going, Carlos?
To the beach, Portuguese.
Say hi to our followers.
Good day today.
It was a great day. Why was it a great day today?
Well, Laura is going to get a card called the European Residence Card.
Yes, and I already told them.
Through marriage.
Oh, yes.
That means I'm out of the picture now. You won't have me see me on a...
I'm going to leave them in Canada and come back. Here's a hotel that Carlos and I have stayed at, Hotel du Canal. It's very nice, very comfortable. So if you're on Pico, you can come over for a few nights, stay at the hotel, spend time on the beach. It's a nice spot here with the marina. There's a place that we're going to called Peter's Cafe. Gonna have a drink there before we have to get back on the ferry. Alright guys, so we just enjoyed a drink here at Peter's Cafe. Such a nice breeze, but we are heading back to Adrian's. I have to charge my phone because it's about to die, and then Carlos and I are going to head over to the ferry to go back to Pico. So we'll see you on the ferry.
Let's go.
Say hello.
Hola todos. Back on the boat. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying this Faial trip. Very special one, as you probably heard already. Two good things happened today. Great things. One, Laura is now waiting for that card, the European Resident Card, and that's awesome. Okay, by the way, so on that note, second thing, well, on that note, we don't have to worry about just staying here 90 days, right, Laura?
Yep. What was really exciting is when we saw Maria stamp
Yeah.
for the card.
Yeah, but yeah, it's a bit of flexibility, which is great. Oh, sorry, a bit of flexibility, which is great. And yeah, of all the times I took a boat to Faial, this was a bit nerve-wracking because I didn't want to miss the boat. We had this appointment, very important appointment at AIMA. So some of you that need anything to do with you know, any type of visas or anything to do with immigration into Portugal, that's where you go. AIMA. Two great ladies that work there, Zelia and Maria. Go in and talk to them if you have any questions, and you could also go online. Either way, they are overwhelmed with a lot of work. They were saying this office takes care of 5 islands, and it's a lot of work. But anyways, this phase is over. Let's hope everything goes well. And when I have that card in my hand, Laura's going to be in Canada, but I'll make sure to show you guys. I'll put it on one of the videos. The other thing is we got to meet up with Adrian. We had met him in Canada. He's a great guy. He's going to be helping us do some branding, marketing, and he's going to be spending a lot of time in the Azores in his future. He's here now, and he's going to come over to Pico next week, and I was glad to get together with him here in the Azores. And looks like he's been here for a while. Like he's like an Azorean resident now, from the sounds of it. Anyways, he's a great guy. Thanks, Adrian, for meeting up with us, and we had a good time. And you were here on this special day for Laura. See you on Pico, by the way, and say hi to Jillian. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this video. We're going to take the boat over. Looks like it's still nice weather. Pico is showing its little nipple at the top there. And yeah, see you on the other side.
Lodge now, and I'm gonna end the video, but I can't tell you, it was such an exciting day, and I am so happy to finally get this European residency. It's through marriage, and it was actually very easy, and just to be able to stay longer, it really takes the pressure off. But I'm still going back June 16th to Canada to see family and friends, and I have some commitments there. And Mila, my little niece, I'm gonna see you soon. And would you guys mind just subscribing and sharing and commenting? We really appreciate you guys watching the videos. It means a lot to us. And you know, I just have to say, like, how much I love being here on Pico. I've been coming here for 13 years now, and I just really hope that some of my family can come over and visit, because I know that they'll love it too. And you guys too. We'll see you on the island. We've seen a few of you already, but yeah, it's such a beautiful place, and we want to share it with you, like even through our videos, and hopefully we're sharing enough. It's a lot of work, but yeah, so I just don't have the words. I'm not a big talker like Carlos, so yeah, I'm just really happy, and I'm actually having a glass of wine just to celebrate. Carlos is watching the soccer game, so you know, you can't miss those soccer games. And Zena's outside and she's having a good time, and yeah, anyways, so we will see you guys in the next video, and yeah, thanks guys. Ciao.